Okay, hello students, welcome to my video again. So, we are just continuing the word problems of the quadratic equations, exercise 8.4 and page number 185. Just check out, okay? Now we are doing number 12, okay? So, in number 12, let's read out the questions for you. Number 12a. So, this one will be of 12a. So, if the sides of the right angle triangle are x minus 2, x, and x plus 2. So, in right angle triangle, suppose this is right angle triangle, okay. So here it is a 90-degree right angle, okay, and the what we call that, the side just the opposite of this 90-degree will be the hypotenuse, okay. This one hypotenuse is the greatest sides, the having the greatest length in size comparatively to this perpendicular and base. This is base and this is perpendicular. So hypotenuse. Now here are three sides given. One is x minus 2, one is x, and another is x plus 2. So in this case, so whichever is the greatest comparatively among these three, whichever is the greatest, that will be the hypotenuse, okay. In these three sides, x minus 2, x, and x plus 2, in these three sides, this x plus 2 is the greatest, so we consider this x plus 2 as the hypotenuse. And base, after choosing the hypotenuse, and after choosing the hypotenuse, you can consider base and perpendicular of these two in either of those, okay. It doesn't matter whether you want to choose this as a base or perpendicular, it doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want, but the hypotenuse must be fixed. It must be the greatest size, okay. So the three sides are given: x minus 2, x, and x plus 2. That is the three sides given. So let's consider base be x plus 2, not x plus 2. The remaining sides, x plus 2 is hypotenuse, then x minus 2 be base, and this x be the perpendicular. So after supposing that, find the length of each sides. So in right angle triangle, only in right angle triangle, this theorem is applicable by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. You just simplify this, as we have x plus 2 whole square, p we have x square, b we have x minus 2 whole square. Now you can simplify this. X square plus 4x plus 4 is equals to x square plus x square minus 4x plus 4. So plus 4 gone, x square plus x square gone. Now the remaining is 4x is equals to x square minus 4x. Yes, okay. So let's move to the other side. 4x minus 4x, or x square minus 8x equals to 0, or x minus 8 equals to 0. Now you can do either x equals to 0. So okay, so if x equals to 0, you reject this, okay, or x minus 8 equals to 0, that is x equals to 8 centimeter. Therefore here perpendicular will be, the sides are, you can directly write Therefore the sides are one is x 8 centimeter, one is x plus 2, which is 8 plus 2 10 centimeter, and another is x minus 2, that is 8 minus 2 6 centimeter. Okay, this is the answers. So without further delay, let's now move to the number B number. In B number, I'll read out the questions for you. Okay, now let's see number 12B. In B number, the perimeter is right angle triangle. The perimeter actually should be off. The perimeter of right angle triangle is 12 centimeter and its hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Okay, you have given perimeter there and its hypotenuse is given 5 centimeter. Find the other two sides of a triangle. I think this will be a little bit of more lengthier, but it will happen. Okay, but in this case we are not going to suppose x and y. Okay, in these cases we are going to suppose the sides of the triangle by P, B and H, because it's got three sides. That represents hypotenuse only in right angle triangle. Okay, that represents hypotenuse, base and perpendicular. Okay, we'll go into that. Okay, now let's start 12B. Let's start 12B. Okay, in 12B, there will be three sides. One is hypotenuse, one will be base, and another will be perpendicular. Now, the perimeter of a right angle triangle is 12 centimeter. We have given perimeter. Perimeter we have given 12 centimeter. Yes. And its hypotenuse, H, is given 5 centimeter. Now you have to find the two other sides of the triangle. You have to find the two other sides. That is, P is equals to what and B equals to what. If you want to do, then you can replace the suppose the value of P by X and B by Y centimeter if you want to suppose, but I think it will be okay if you consider P perpendicular by P and base by B. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now, since perimeter is given, we know, apply the formula for perimeter. Perimeter is given 12 centimeter, or perimeter, use the perimeter formula, sum of all sides, that is H plus P plus B is equals to 12. Just replace the value of H by 5, P plus B is equals to 12, or P plus B is equals to 12 minus 5, that is P plus B is equals to 12 minus 5, which is 7. So after writing this, now you can write here, now you can do here a little bit. Since this is a right angle triangle, only in right angle triangle you can say by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in Pythagoras theorem you can write here h square equals to p square plus b square, or h square we have 5 square. Now, so there is a formula, a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square, but you have to subtract here minus 2ab. Okay, so you have to remember this formula of the algebra. Now here p square plus b square, p square plus b square can be written as p plus b whole square, but you have to minus 2 times pb. Okay, so 5 square will be 25. So p plus b, you can substitute the value of p plus b. Let's suppose this I. You can substitute the value of p plus b by 7. 7 square minus 2 pb. Okay, you can state here from I. From I you have substitute the value. Now 25, this becomes 49 minus 2pb, or let's move this to the left hand side, 2pb, 2 times pb, 49 minus 25, or 2pb is equals to 49 minus 25, that is, this becomes 424, yes, 24, or pb is equals to 24 divided by 2, that will becomes 12. Okay, now you can substitute the value of, now yes, now you can, this p plus b from equation I, let's suppose this 2, from I we can write p plus b is equals to 7, this is I. Okay, now we can make this p alone and 7 minus b to the other side. Now substitute the value of p is equals to 7 minus b in double I. So I'm going to rub that, there is not much space left here. Okay, now you can substitute the value p is equals to, substitute value p is equals to 7 minus b in double I. Now you will get the results. Now you simplify here. So pb is equation 2. Now substitute the value of p by 7 minus b. This b is already there, 12. Now you simplify, 7b minus b squared is equals to 12, or b squared and b squared minus 7b plus 12 equals to 0. Now we simplify this, so factorize. Now I'm doing directly here, 4b minus 3b. I'm just doing it directly. Okay, if you find confusing, then you just do without skipping these steps. B minus 4, 3b minus 0. Okay, b minus 4, b minus 3 equals to 0. So the two other sides will be, you can do either b minus 4 equals to 0 or b equals to 4, or you can write b minus 3 is equals to 0 or b equals to 3. So here are two cases, there are two values for b. In that case you have to take the both. So I'm just writing in this side. Okay, so there are two values for b is equals to 4 or b is equals to 3. So when b is equals to 4, then when b is equals to 4, then p will be 7 minus b. 7 minus b, that is 7 minus 3, 7 minus 4, that is equals to 3. When b is equals to 3, then p will be 7 minus b, that is 7 minus 7 minus 3, that is 4. So when p is 4, then when b is 4, then p will be 3, but when b is 3, then p will be 4. Therefore the two other sides will be, therefore, yeah, I'm writing here. Okay, therefore the two other sides, I'm writing here, therefore the two sides will be 4, 3 or 34. This is the answer. Okay, now if you have finished this, if you want to copy this, then you can take a screenshot. Now we are going to into the number, another number of this table number. Okay, number C. Let's go into the number C. Okay, now I'll read out the questions for you. Okay, in number C, the area of a right angle triangle is 24 square centimeters. We have given the area. So in case of a right angle triangle, you know how to find the area of triangle. Okay, you just the area of a right angle triangle will be 1 by 2 times perpendicular into base. So so there is right angle triangle to consider here. Okay, so this will be base and this will be perpendicular and this will be hypotenuse. Now you see the area of right angle triangle we have given. Area is given 24 square centimeter. And if the perpendicular of the triangle is 2 meters shorter than its base, which means we have base, perpendicular and base. Okay. If the perpendicular of the triangle is 2 meter shorter than its base, okay, the 2 meter less than its base. Okay, if the perpendicular of the triangle is 2 meters shorter than its base, if the perpendicular of a triangle, this perpendicular of triangle is 2 meters shorter than its base, it means if I take if perpendicular is 10, then the base will be 8. Wait. If the perpendicular of a triangle is 2 meters shorter, if the base is 10, then the perpendicular will be 8. Okay. So if the base is 11, then the perpendicular will be 9. 2 meter less, 2 centimeter less. Okay. So if I take this base x centimeter, then this perpendicular will be x minus 2 centimeter. This perpendicular must be 2 less than the base. Okay, now you just use the formula. We know area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 perpendicular into base. This is the formula. Now area of triangle we have already given 24, replace the value, and 1 by 2 perpendicular into base. So P we have considered x minus 2, just replace that value, and B by x. Okay, you multiply this, 2 to the 4, 48, x minus 2 x, or 48 is equals to x square minus 2x, or x square minus 2x minus 48 times equals to 0. Now, so 6 8 is 48, 6 times 8 48, 8 minus 6, that will be 2. You can write here x square minus 8 minus 6 equals to 0, or x square minus 8x plus 6x minus 48 equals to 0. Here x minus 8 plus 6, x minus 8 equals to 0. Again take x minus 8, x plus 6 equals to 0. Either x minus 8 equals to 0, or x equals to 8, or x plus 6 equals to 0, or x equals to minus 6. Now you reject the value of, if the value of x is in minus, you just reject. Now here the base will be, therefore find its two sides of the triangle. Therefore base we have considered x centimeter, that will be 8 centimeter, and perpendicular we have considered x minus 2 that will be 8 minus 2, 6 centimeter. And this is the answer. Okay, so without further delay, we'll be moving on to the next questions, 12D. So if you have understood this, or if you have finished copying this, let's move on to the next questions. So without further delay, let's move on to the next questions, 12D. Now let's move on to the number 12D. So in 12D, let's read out the questions. The sides of a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle there are three sides. So we basically consider that three sides by hypotenuse. The sides are opposite to the right angle hypotenuse, and another be perpendicular. No, this is not perp. This will be the base and this will be the perpendicular. Okay. So the sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are less than its hypotenuse. Okay. The sides which contains the right angle means the sides forming the right angle. This is right angle 90 degree, and the sides which forms the right angle is this side and this side, which means perpendicular and base. So this perpendicular and base, the triangle then is yes, this perpendicular and base are less. You can consider both sides either ways, it doesn't matter. Containing the right angle triangle are less than its hypotenuse by 5 centimeter and 1 by 10 centimeter. So if I consider hypotenuse by x centimeter, then you can take base. Okay, base is less than hypotenuse by 5 centimeter, and this another will be less than hypotenuse by 10 centimeter. You have to subtract. So like this. Okay, so I hope you're clear about this. Now here we have hypotenuse. I have considered x, then perpendicular will be x minus 10 centimeter, and base will be x minus 5 centimeter. Okay, now so don't get confused. You can either interchange these places, p and b, interchange the value of p and b. It doesn't matter, the result will be the same, but the hypotenuse must be fixed. That will be x. Okay, now let's move on to the another question. Not another questions. So this is a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle you can use using Pythagoras. By using Pythagoras theorem, you can write h square equals to p square plus b square, which is as x square, p we have x minus 10 whole square, plus b we have x minus 5 whole square. Okay, so x square is x square. Here x square minus 2 times 10, 20, x plus 100, 10 square we get 100. Now x square minus, you just expand this. Okay, 2 5 is 10x, 5 5 is 25. So this x will be cancelled. Now the remaining you just operate. Let's make this in order. Okay, x square minus 20x minus 10x. This will be minus 30x, and this will be 125. Now we factorize x square minus 30x plus 125 equals to 0. You just factorize this now. You'll get the value of x. Or okay, so 25 5s are 125. 25 plus 5, 30. So x square minus 25 plus 5 plus 125 equals to 0. Or x square minus 25x minus 5x plus 125 equals to 0. or x minus 25 minus 5, x minus 25 equals to 0, or x minus 25, another will be x minus 5 equals to 0. Now we can do either x minus 25 equals to 0, or x equals to 25, or x minus 5 equals to 0, or x equals to 5. Now you take the both values, okay? So in this case, you just see the situation. If you take 5, x value 5, okay, this will contradict the rest of these situations. Okay, this, for example, this if I replace the value of x by 5 here, 5 minus 10, that will be negative 5, which cannot be the side of any triangle. Okay, the side cannot be, uh, should not be in minus sign, so it is a scalar quantity. So this x equals to 5 is, if it does not if it does contradict the situation, you just reject. So x equals to 5, that will contradict the situation, so x equals to 5 you have to reject. Okay, so the value of x will be, therefore x equals to 25, that we have to take. Therefore find the length of the sides of a triangle. Therefore right here, hypotenuse will be x centimeter, which is 25 centimeter, and perpendicular will be x minus 10, which is 25 minus 10, it will be 15 centimeter, and another, which one, base will be x minus 5, that will be 25 minus 5, that will be 20 centimeter. So this is the answer. Therefore the three sides are 25, 15 and 20. So this was the last questions for today's video. So I hope you like it. I hope you like this video, and I hope it helps you understand these questions in a more convenient way. So if you like my video, you just don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends who might find this content more useful. So by saying that, we'll meet up next video. We'll meet up to the next video. Until then, goodbye and stay blessed.